What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. So in tonight's video, I will be making homemade chili and homemade biscuits. So here we go. Alright, first I like to brown the beef, and I use ground beef. Okay, so now I'm about to add the ground beef to the big pot. Okay, so now I'm about to start adding the ingredients. So, first we need to add 2 cups of green peppers. Two cups of onions. Okay, now I'm about to add 2 cans of diced tomatoes. Okay, now I'm gonna add 2 cans of chili beans. Now I'm gonna add 2 cans of kidney beans. Okay, I'm gonna add 3 cans of tomato sauce. Okay, I'm gonna add 1 can of tomato paste. You are Grey's Anatomy? Oh yeah. Okay, I'm adding 22 ounces of water. Okay, I'm adding 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Okay, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of onion powder. Okay, I'm adding 4.5 tablespoons of chili powder. Okay, I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of chipotle powder. Okay, I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm adding 1.5 tablespoons of paprika. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I'm adding 4.5 tablespoons of cumin. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Okay, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of garlic powder. Okay, now I'm stir it all together. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna let it cook for a minute and I'm gonna stir it occasionally and I'll be back. Alright, so now I'm about to make some biscuits. Okay, this is what the biscuits look like. Y'all, they look so good. Oh my goodness. Alright, y'all. So this is what my plate is looking like. We have the chili, and then we have the biscuits. Y'all, look how thick that biscuit is. Oh my god. I am so ready to eat. The kids are standing here waiting for me. They're like, Mama, you're taking too long. So, but I did want to show you guys the end result. Y'all need to try this chili. This chili is banging. It is so amazing. Alright, you guys. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.